Successful innovation depends upon having the correct level of resources. Big companies have the resources to do this more easily than small businesses and individuals. Employees at companies that are judged to be innovative tend to report that money and time are made available for them to support the exploration of innovative ideas. In all these cases, getting the most out of the available resources is vital. We'll be exploring EE exercise for productivity in a later section, but for the moment, one way to free up the resources needed for innovation is to stop doing something. Therefore, innovation can include stopping one thing so that you can start another. You can destroy to create. We can't be innovative all the time. We need a core of routine and stability. It's good to have a portfolio of projects with varying levels of innovation. We need to be delivering our core business, introducing some incremental changes, and giving priority to a small number of highly transformational projects. When you get it right, you'll be able to delight your customers. You'll connect with them emotionally. However, innovation can trigger negative emotions too. Innovation is about change, and often people really don't like change. They find it unsettling and troublesome. People find their habits comfortable. Changing from one system to new ways of working can feel like a big hassle. People can be suspicious. They wonder if innovation will deliver its promises, and they probably remember the last big change initiative that came to nothing. Sometimes our efforts to improve things actually make them worse. Our changes bring unforeseen consequences, and instead of reducing pressures, they create new ones. More often than not, changes don't deliver what we intend them to. For example, rather than simplifying things, technology often ends up making them much more complicated. It would be wise to remember that every change will have pluses and minuses. Large-scale innovation, that's going to be a group activity. Individuals can be innovative, but the idea of the lone entrepreneur delivering disruptive change by themselves, well, that's probably a myth. Clever entrepreneurs surround themselves with good people. A team effort will be needed to solve the bigger problems and innovation challenges. Given that innovation needs the right resources, that large-scale change is problematic, that collaboration is essential, it's wise to ask the question, what needs to happen to support innovation?